Hello everyone and welcome back to our newest video. With you as always me, Virus, and next to me we have our newest project. And as you see, a few parts are missing on this car. Yeah, and this is how it arrived. This car is after accident and customer decided instead of painting it, he wants to wrap it. Yeah, and he picked the matte black wrap. This time we're using KPMF matte black. So we already wrapped a few panels, bonnet and fender, they are wrapped, and today I will continue to work on this side. As you see, all mirrors are removed, the handles are off. Now it's time to cut material and lay it on the car. Let's begin. So guys, entire Panamera body is wrapped. No, I'm lying. As always, I left the most difficult parts for last minute. Rear bumper. We still need to do rear bumper, but main reason for that because this car still need to go to other place, and bumpers can stay at our shop. Yeah, this is why entire body is wrapped, car is leaving today, and now I just need to wrap handles and bumpers. And then in a few days car will come back and we will put all parts back together. Because you see, from bumper needs to be wrapped as well. This is what I'm gonna do now, yeah. Finally, Porsche came back and it is assembled and all parts is back on the car. But to be honest, I'm a bit disappointed with this project because you know, car left I just freshly finished front bumper, rear bumper, and car left to other place where car was left outside during the winter, -15 outside, yeah, and snow, rain, and all that stuff. And when guys was assembling parts back, they damaged doors, they damaged front bumper, as well they damaged a few more parts. But you know, it's not up to us. Damage was done not by us, and we'll see if what customer gonna say, because car is wrapped, car is finished, and all parts are back on it. In general, it looks really good. Matte black always works with the gloss accents. We wrap mirrors in gloss black, handles in gloss black. The rest of the car we wrapped in matte black. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. With you was me, Virus, and I will see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. See ya.